Hello? Welcome back. Let me ask you something. Do you really want 2026 to be different, or do you just hope it will be different? Because hope alone does not change anything. Action does. Every year, many people say the same thing. This year will be my year. This year I will change. This year I will do better. But the year changes. They don't. And that is the hard truth. 2026 is coming fast. It will arrive whether you are ready or not. It will arrive whether you improve or not. So the real question is simple. Who will you be when 2026 begins? The same person? Same habits? Same problems? Same excuses? Or a better version of yourself? To level up in 2026, you must wake up now, not next month, not next year, now. Look at your life honestly. Ask yourself, am I growing or am I just repeating the same year again? Many people live one year of life and repeat it again and again. They don't move forward. They only survive. But you don't want to just survive. You want progress. You want confidence. You want control. And that starts with awareness. Awareness means telling yourself the truth. Maybe you are wasting time. Maybe you are too comfortable. Maybe you are delaying important things. That does not make you a bad person. It makes you human. But staying unaware keeps you stuck. Awareness gives you power. Because when you see the problem clearly, you can start fixing it. 2026 can be your best year. Not because of luck, not because of motivation, but because you decide to level up. Level up your thinking. Level up your habits. Level up your actions. Big change does not start with big pressure. It starts with a clear decision. A decision to stop drifting. A decision to move forward. A decision to become better. If you want to level up in 2026, you must upgrade your mindset. A better year does not start with luck. It starts with better thinking. Many people want a new life, but they keep the same thoughts. Same fears, same doubts, same excuses. That does not work. A new year with an old mindset creates old results. So let's change how you think. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel strong, some days you feel empty. If you wait for motivation, you will stop often. Discipline matters more than motivation. Discipline means doing what is important even when you don't feel like it. Change how you talk to yourself. Your words shape your actions. If you say, I can't do this, your mind believes it. Instead say, I am learning how to do this. This small change matters. Your brain listens to your voice. Stop aiming for perfection. Perfection creates delay. Delay creates regret. Progress is better than perfection. Small steps done daily create big change over time. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a simple plan that you can follow. Stop comparing your life. Someone will always be ahead of you. Someone will always be behind you. Comparison steals focus. Focus builds progress. Your only real competition is who you were yesterday. Start thinking long-term. Comfort feels good today, but growth feels good later. If you choose comfort every day, your future becomes weak. If you choose growth, your future becomes strong. A strong mindset creates a strong year. Mindset gives direction, but discipline creates results. Motivation can start change, but discipline finishes it. Your life is not changed by big decisions once a year. It is changed by small decisions every day. Discipline is not about doing many things. Discipline is about doing the right things again and again. How you start your day decides how your day will go. Wake up at a consistent time. You do not need to wake up very early. You need consistency. Avoid your phone at the start of the day. Give your mind space before giving it noise. Plan your day. Choose 3 things. 1 main task, 2 small tasks. Finish the main task first. This creates momentum. Take care of your body. A tired body creates a weak mind. Sleep well. Eat better. Move your body daily. Protect your time. Time is your most valuable resource. Reduce distractions. Limit scrolling. Every minute you waste is a minute you don't get back. Discipline is choosing your future over your comfort. Some days will feel hard. That is normal. Do not quit on hard days. Lower the intensity if needed, but keep the habit. Daily discipline may feel boring, but boring habits create powerful results. A strong mindset is important. Discipline is powerful. But skills create real progress. The world rewards value, and value comes from skills. Ask yourself, what can I do well? What can I learn? What problem can I solve? You do not need many skills. You need useful skills. Communication is one of them. When you communicate better, you think better. English is another powerful skill. Better English gives you access to better information and better opportunities. You do not need perfect English. You need practice. Read daily. Listen daily. Speak daily. Even 20 or 30 minutes a day is enough. Consistency matters more than speed. Skills give you choices. Choices reduce fear. More capable people feel more confident about the future. Learning may feel slow, but progress is quiet. Small effort today becomes big results later. Now comes the most important part. Decision. Knowledge does not change lives. Decision does. You can listen to many videos, but if you do not decide, nothing changes. Decide now. Decide what kind of person you want to be in 2026. More confident, more disciplined, more skilled. That version of you is built by daily actions. Not by motivation, not by wishing, by commitment. Some days will be easy, some days will be hard. Do not quit on hard days. Rest if you need to. Slow down if you need to, but do not stop. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Small actions done daily change lives. Protect your time. Say no to distractions. Say yes to growth. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time. Mistakes mean learning, not failure. At the end of 2026, you will look back at this moment. You will either say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I had started. The choice is yours. Level up in 2026. Make 2026 your best year. The best time to start has always been today.